y of x is solution of x dy by dx plus 2y equals x square, then y of 1 equals 1, then value of y of 1 by 2 is equals to, and 4 options are given, minus 49 upon 16, 49 upon 16, 45 upon 8 and minus 45 upon 8. Let's have a look at its solution, and remember we need to find value of y such that when x is put as 1 upon 2, what answer we get. Initial equation that has been given to us is x into dy by dx plus 2y equals y square. We divide both sides by x, we get dy by dx plus 2 by x into y equals x. Now this is a linear differential equation. It can be clearly seen, as you must have seen in the types of different linear differential equations. So let's write it in the form of I into f equals e to the power integral of 2 by x dx, because it is the standard solution for linear differential equation of this type. We know that integral of 1 upon x is log x, and 2 is a constant, so it comes as it is, so it comes out to be e to the power 2 log x, which comes out to be eventually x square. So therefore solution is x square y equals integral of x cube dx. Now we know that x to the power n ka integral is x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, which do here. So it gives us x square y equals x to the power 4 upon 4 plus c. This comes from n plus 1, 3 plus 1, because initially we had integral of x cube dx. So it comes, it gives us x to the power 4 upon 4 plus c. Now we need to find this c. So y of 1 equals 1. It has already been given. So it would give us c as 3 by 4, right? Because here x would be put 1, so y equals to 1 to the power 4 upon 4 plus c. So c would come out to be 3 by 4. And we need to determine y of 1 by 2. So at x equals to 1 by 2, we need to determine that. So it would give us 1 by 2 whole square, which is 1 by 4, which we have written here. Y remains as it is, so into y equals to again 1 by 4 to the power 4 upon 4, which would eventually give us 1 upon 64. And c we found out here in previous step, that is 3 by 4. So after solving this, y comes out to be 49 upon 16. So this is our final answer, which corresponds to option number 2 given in the question.